everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another wall decor to share with you, and these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, I have these wood squares here, and they are 8 by 8 in size. So I'm just gonna line them up in the shape that I want our wall decor to be. Okay, I'm going to use some E6000 to glue our pieces together. You can use wood glue if you like. I don't have any right now, so I'm using E6000 and some hot glue to instantly hold it in place. Okay, now I'm going to glue the next piece on. And now I'm going to use some of these large craft sticks to help reinforce our pieces together. And again, I'll be using the E6000 and some hot glue to glue them down. This is a quick and easy DIY that you can do to add some more touch to your home. A nice piece of wall decor. I hope you guys are all doing well. And I'm here enjoying my day today. I love crafting, like I tell you guys, and I'm listening to some music while I am crafting. I like doing that. It helps to soothe my soul. And I hope you guys are all doing well. And remember, like I always tell you, have fun while you're crafting. And now that it's all done, I'll be using some of this silver spray paint and spray paint everything silver. Okay, here it is all spray paint and dried. So now I'm going to take some of our glam chain here that I have, and I'll be using some E6000, and I'll be gluing the chain going right around the edge of our decor. When you cut the chain, just straighten it out, going right around the shape of the decor. The E6000 is not dried as yet, so it gives you time to place back the chain in the right place, because it does slip and slide while the glue is still wet. And here it is all done. I love how it looks. I think it looks very nice going around the edge. And now I'm going to be using some of these oval shape little pieces that I got from BB Craft. And they do come with a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to take that off and put them onto our decor. Okay, that's all done. So now I'm going to be using some of these mirrored pieces that I got from Dollar Tree, and we're going to add them to our decor. So I'm just going to place them in the center. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue them down. And now that our mirrors are on, I'm going to be using some of this silver glitter here. And I'll be adding it to the Mod Podge and then adding it going around our mirrors. So I'm just pouring out some, and then I'm going to pour the Mod Podge right over it and mix it up. I like adding the glitter this way. That way you don't have a lot of foliage and you'll have to keep going over it to help seal in back the glitter, because everything is already together, so it will dry very nice. So I'm just gonna keep adding the glitter going right around our pieces. And then I'm gonna set it aside to dry for a few hours, and then I'll come back and show you all the finished look. And here is our finished look. I like how it turned out. And you can see the glitter and everything. I think it makes a very nice wall decor. You see the glitter? It's a fine glitter pieces, so it looks very nice. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So I hope I have inspired you with another piece of home decor that you could try for yourself. And remember to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.